this palette has it all. It's literally my new favorite palette. So school's around the corner, which means we're all gonna be waking up early. So let me teach you guys a super quick and easy natural makeup look. So first I'm gonna go in with this Keys Soul Care Concealer Plus Tint. I'm gonna apply it to these areas of my face. And then I'm gonna blend it with my fingers because honestly, we do not have time to be wetting our beauty sponge. So we're just gonna blend this all over. So now I'm gonna take this BYOD face brush. It comes in a set, but I'm gonna take this tapered brush for my contour, just a little bit of bronze to the face. I'm using the Mini Mix palette, and I'm just gonna place it right above my cheekbones just for a little bit of a sun-kissed look. And then I'm also gonna place a little bit on the temple and jawline. And then we're gonna do the other side of the face. And then using this other BYOD brush, I'm gonna take just a little bit of the blush in the same palette, and I'm gonna apply it to the apples of my cheek, and then a little bit on the nose. I can't believe summer went by so quickly. I'm kind of nervous for school. Like, are you guys excited? Are you guys ready? I don't know how to feel. I feel like summer just flew by and all of a sudden we are back to school. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of glow to the face using the highlighter in the same palette. I'm taking this BYOD brush and I'm gonna apply it to my cheekbones. The thought of having new friends is like super exciting to me, but I think it's the new campus and navigating where everything is. It's what's making me super nervous. I'm gonna take a little bit of this eyeshadow and apply it to my eyes just for a little bit of color. I feel like it's a really pretty bronze shade. I love how this palette literally has everything. So when you're hurrying and getting ready in the morning, like this palette has it all. It's literally my new favorite palette. Now for the finishing touch, I'm gonna take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I love this mascara. It's like super viral everywhere. Are you guys like me? I love prepping for school. All the school supplies, the notebooks, the folders, it's all so fun to me. And don't even get me started on the back to school clothes shopping. It's my absolute favorite. But see how easy this look was? It took me less than 5 minutes and it's like the perfect natural look for school. Comment below your favorite product from this month's box. Thank you for watching. Bye!